Ladies and gentlemen, muscle car enthusiasts, and speed fanatics, welcome back to Arteopedia. Today, we're diving deep into the 2025 Pontiac GTO, a rebirth of an American legend that seamlessly blends raw power, modern technology, and head-turning design. Buckle up as we explore every detail of this beast, from its bold exterior to its heart-pounding performance. Let's get started. Right off the bat, the 2025 Pontiac GTO makes a bold statement with its aggressive and aerodynamic design. The signature split grille returns, paying homage to its legendary predecessors while featuring a modern LED lighting system with sequential turn signals. The sculpted hood comes with functional heat extractors, giving it a fierce look and improved engine cooling. The GTO offers a variety of stunning color options, including Crimson Blaze Red, a nod to classic muscle car heritage Midnight Black Metallic, a stealthy, menacing look Arctic White Pearl, for a clean, timeless aesthetic Inferno Orange, a vibrant color that screams performance Deep Ocean Blue, a modern touch for muscle car lovers, and to complete the look, you get 19-inch forged alloy wheels with optional carbon fiber accents. Step inside, and you'll find a perfect blend of retro muscle car vibes with cutting-edge technology. The GTO's interior is designed for both comfort and performance. Premium leather-wrapped sport bucket seats with contrast stitching provide excellent support, while available Recaro racing seats offer a track-ready experience. At the center of it all is a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster, fully customizable to display performance metrics, navigation, and driver assistance info. The 15-inch touchscreen infotainment system supports Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a premium 12-speaker Bose audio system, ensuring you stay connected and entertained. Under the hood, the 2025 GTO offers two powerhouse options, a 6.2L supercharged V8 producing 650 horsepower and 650 lb-ft of torque, delivering mind-blowing acceleration. A 5.0L naturally aspirated V8 with 480 horsepower, engineered for purists who love the sound of a high-revving muscle car. Both engines come mated to either a 6-speed manual transmission for an authentic driving experience or a 10-speed automatic with paddle shifters for lightning-fast gear changes. The GTO rockets from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.5 seconds, making it a serious contender in the muscle car segment. Safety is a top priority in the 2025 GTO, equipped with the latest advanced driver assistance systems, ADAS. Key features include adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and blind spot monitoring, forward collision warning with automatic emergency braking, rear cross traffic alert, and parking sensors, 360-degree camera system for easy maneuvering beyond its raw power. The GTO is designed for comfort. Dual-zone automatic climate control keeps the cabin cozy, while heated and ventilated seats ensure year-round comfort. A wireless charging pad, USB-C fast charging ports, and ambient lighting with customizable color themes add to the modern feel. The GTO is more than just muscle, it's practical too. It features wheelbase, 111, 5 inches overall length, 193 inches cargo capacity, 13 cubic feet, enough for weekend road trips. Towing capacity, 3,500 pounds, making it versatile for small trailers or track day gear. Despite its beastly performance, the GTO offers impressive efficiency. The supercharged V8 achieves 16 mpg city/24 mpg highway. The naturally aspirated V8 offers 18 mpg city/26 mpg highway with a 16-gallon fuel tank. Expect a range of over 400 miles on the highway. The 2025 Pontiac GTO comes in 3 trims. GTO Base, starting at $55,000. GTO Performance Package, adds upgraded brakes, sport exhaust, and track-tuned suspension at $62,000. GTO Supercharged Edition, the ultimate package with 650 HP, carbon fiber accents, and premium interior upgrades for $75,000. The 2025 Pontiac GTO is more than a revival. It's a modern masterpiece that brings muscle car heritage into the future. With stunning design, insane performance, and modern tech, it's a true icon reborn. What do you think? Would you take the GTO for a spin? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more in-depth car reviews. This is Arteopedia. Signing off, stay fast and stay legendary. Successfully created text document 2025 Pontiac GTO, which will be referenced in all future messages with the unique identifier text doc.